You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this cut of beef, this type of steak. If you want to learn more cuts of beefs and dish names that are confusing, like sauce au poivre, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, pronounced in British English as sirloin steak. Sir, as in hello sir, sirloin, loin. In American English it's quite similar. American pronunciation, US, sirloin. Sirloin steak. That's it, you got it. Sirloin steak. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.